Hello everyone, this is Lori Hargis, and our announcement, I'm announcing that this Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, that's New York time, we will be offering a free Valentine live stream on how to use essential oils in a wonderful Valentine dessert. And my guest will be Juliana Meyner. She is from South America, the place where chocolat comes from, right? And she is a chef, and she's also a nutritionist. So she will be with us on Friday in our Master Essential Oil group. And we will be live streaming her, watching her make a wonderful dessert with a very interesting essential oil. And you guys are gonna get the recipe. She's gonna make it right there for us. And I am going to be making comments and telling you other essential oils that you can use in the recipe for whatever way that you want to celebrate your Valentine's Day with your sweetheart. So make sure that you click the link below and get signed up into our Master Essential Oil group for our special Valentine's Day dessert with an essential oil and many other essential oils that I will be talking to you about on how to use them for the right kind of atmosphere that you want for your Valentine's Day. Can't wait to share this and can't wait for you to see Juliana make this wonderful Valentine's dessert. She'll also be talking about the nutritional value of it too. So see you guys there. 1 p.m. Eastern Time, Master Essential Oil class. Make sure you click the link below. Don't forget your essentials. Use your common sense. Au revoir.